Hello traders, welcome to marketaddiction.net. Today is February the 8th, 2009. This is video for Friday, February the 6th. On Friday we had a bullish day in the markets. The Dow was up 217 points, the Nasdaq was up 45, the S&P 500 was up 22 points. Starting off with the daily chart of the S&P 500, you can see that we've come up to touch this 50-day moving average. What looked like it could have been a breakdown to test last year's lows may have been averted, at least temporarily. And it looks like we're going to continue with just some more sideways action in here. Zooming in to look at the 60-minute chart, you can see that we broke above this level that I had pointed out in Thursday's video. The 5-day moving average is inclining now. We've almost come up to test this previous high. If we do come up to test it on Monday or Tuesday, I wouldn't really expect us to break right through it because the market is maybe a little bit extended here. Zoomed into the 10-minute time frame, you can see that we have had these higher highs and higher lows. We're well above the 5-day moving average. If we do get a break of this previous high, I think we could eventually see a run up to this 94 level. That would be around 940 on the S&P futures. If we do get a pullback, first level that would act as support would be this previous low in here. If we do break down below here, we would probably come down to test this 5-day moving average before getting any continuation to the upside. As far as some of the stocks on the watch list, I mentioned TWTC in my last video. This one hasn't triggered an entry yet. Looking at the 60-minute time frame, we need to get above this previous high here. We might get a pullback first, maybe to come down and meet this inclining 5-day moving average, then get a bounce up. I think we eventually see this one run up to around this $10 level with an entry down around this level. Another stock I've been looking at is SOL. I also had mentioned this in my previous video. And also hasn't triggered an entry. We need to get above this level here. Still a good looking setup on this one. Just waiting for it to show some more strength. Some of the new stocks on the watch list is STP. We are below the 50-day moving average on this stock, but it is flattening out. Looking at the 60-minute time frame, you can see that we have had these higher lows. The 5-day moving average is inclining. We need to see a break above this level here, and we should see a nice run up to back around this $13.90 to $14 level with a stop below this level here. Another stock I'm looking at is QLTI. On the daily chart, we've held this inclining 50-day moving average as support, and also if you put some Fibonacci on here, you can see that also coincides with the 50% retracement level. Zoomed into the 60-minute time frame, I think we get a break above this previous high here, and we could see a run back up to this, let's see, $2.60, $2.65 level. Worst case stop here would be around this $2.28, $2.27 level. That would also be a break of the 5-day moving average and a break of this previous high or low. Another stock I'm looking at is YGE. This stock is set up nicely. Held the 50-day moving average as support on a 60-minute time frame. Broke past this key resistance level here, started to pull back. The 5-day moving average is inclining. Looking at the 10-minute chart, we've had a steady series of higher highs and higher lows. If you want to get in on this one, I would say a break above this $6 level, $6.05 level. I did check on this one. YGE is reporting earnings on Tuesday, I believe. So I might watch this one and see how it reacts, and then wait until after that to look for an entry. I don't like to trade earnings. They can cause big gaps either up or down, and it's really a gamble. You never really know which direction they're going to go. As far as my current positions, I'm in CZZ. This is the chart that I had posted on my blog. I entered it around this $3.48 level. I've taken some profits twice, I believe, already on this one. Waiting for it to come up to this $4.10 level, which is my target. Also, I'm in BGC. This is the chart that was posted on my blog. I had taken some profits in this one. The last area was right around here, which was this previous resistance area. I had moved my stop up on this stock to $19, so break below this previous higher low, and I'll be completely out of this one. My watch list for tomorrow is fairly short. I do have some other pretty good setups though, so check out my website at marketaddiction.net to see some of the other stocks. Be sure to check out the links on the side. Stay very nimble in this market. As always, we'll have a lot of news coming out, and you never know how the market's going to react. Make sure you keep your stops tight and manage risk.